All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another trucking vlog. We are headed over to our delivery this morning. We are in Indiana. I don't know the town name, nor do I care. It's near Rensselaer, Indiana, though, and we're headed to Wabash. And Cornell sent me a message this morning, and he was like, "Hey, I got your next planned load. Where you're delivering, you're picking up your next load, and then it's going to North Carolina." So it's currently 10:24. But when we get there, it'll be Eastern time. So it's looking like it's gonna be 1 o'clock Eastern. So it was super cold out last night though. Like not cold, but it's like 68 outside last night, dude. And like I woke up this morning and like the truck wasn't running or anything, and I could tell the sun was out, and I was like, what the hell? And then I look at the temperature gauge and I was like, oh, that makes sense. But like my other truck, dude, like it probably would have been running anyways, because I don't know, the fan just doesn't like work good enough. So it was really nice. I don't think the truck started up once last night, but it's hard because I got to get used to it, because the fans are super loud, so I don't even hear the alarm, my phone alarm. We can alternate. I don't want you to have to wait. You got big priorities here, Mr. Four-wheeler. Oh God, please tell me this oversized getting on the interstate. I don't want to get stuck behind him. Going for this door on the end over here. So we're gonna get the trailer to start heading that way. He said just whichever one's open. The thing that sucks is we have cardboard and it's all soaking wet, and I'm supposed to pick up a load out of this place, and I don't know how well that's gonna go, so that was too far. I need to cut it right here and then go back left. Come on. Can't really see on that side. Hopefully we're good on this passenger side. I can't really see jack squat. We just need to cut it left here. I think this is probably good here, so we're just gonna just leave it like that for now, I guess. And then I guess the trailer's gonna be wet, so we're gonna have to find a different empty. So of course, when I get in a dock, there's like a storm cover drain or whatever. It just started pissing out water, dude. So luckily, I got around it by getting out the passenger side and going in a door. I wasn't supposed to, but I'm like, I'm not walking through that nasty freaking water. No one said anything though, so we just gotta scale out here. Yeah, I get it. I'm pulling onto a scale. Thank you, Freightliner. Then we gotta go to the other side and get loaded, but I have a feeling that this trailer might be too filthy to get loaded. So we gotta pull up as far as we can. Like that. Then we gotta listen for the buzzer, and then we gotta go inside and get our paperwork, and then we can go to the other side and try to get loaded. But it's really messy, so I guess I don't even have to wait on that. So we got loaded. We got 642 miles. I need a shower so damn bad today. So there's a Love's here in 128 miles. I'm gonna stop and get a shower and then try to find a truck stop to plan on to park for the night. Problem is I'm not taking any interstates the whole way for like, I'd say 90% of it. Like we're staying on like 33 or 35 through Ohio. And then I think once we hit Virginia, we finally get on like 64 or something. But there's not very many truck stops. And from what I saw before I rolled out, as I was checking Trucker Path, said a lot of them get full around 9, and it's already 4 o'clock here. So I don't know. And I keep hitting every red light, so it's not looking very good. Ideally, I want to drive 8 hours, and like, but I need to get a freaking shower today. I can't wait till tomorrow. So, all right, guys, we're gonna try to stop at this mom and pop truck stop here. I don't even know. Hopefully there's parking. I'm not too sure. That's not a good sign. Not a good sign. Looks pretty full. I don't even know what's across the street, but that looks full too. This is not a good sign. It's supposed to not be full till 9 o'clock, and it's only 8:20. It looks pretty damn full, so I guess I'm just tripping. There's one there. I think there's probably one here too. Should we go in between these two? I'm gonna go here. I see this guy behind me. I'm waiting for him. I'm glad there's parking, dude. I need a shower so bad, but there's a Love's like right down the road. So I'll just get one first thing in the morning after I start my clock. I was kind of scared, but there's a lot of spots here still, so we're good. These are reserved. I don't see anything that says reserved, so I'm just kind of wondering why everyone chooses to park in the back but not here. I have a tendency to always get super close to the truck on the inside. I have no idea why, but we got her in. I have to slide it over just a little bit. Can't really see that other trailer back behind me. I think that's about it. Oh, don't you dare do that. I wanted to start picking up speed. I think right there. I'll probably have to get out and look when I do my post trip, but I think that's probably going to be fine. So we'll see you guys in the morning. So Cornell called me this morning and told me that the receiving hours were like 8 to noon. and I knew I could only make it there by like 12:30, so I stopped at this Love's, got a shower, and there's some state patrolmen over here. I don't know what the hell they're doing. Someone run from them or something? Come on, engine brake, come on. Oh, it's not really doing its thing. But anyways, we still got 368 miles. He said we're allowed to park there overnight, so that's what we're gonna do. Just go park there tonight, get unloaded at 8, and hopefully they don't take too long to unload it since it's only paper rolls, and then I can get a load right away. Maybe drive some on Saturday. Would be nice, because we're only at 1,500 miles this week. And that's after these next 368 miles, so I want to drive this new truck anyways. I wish I could just skip out on a 34 this weekend. But we're going to get back on 35 here and get back up to 66 miles an hour. Alright guys, well this kind of sucked. Terrible phone service here. You know, I guess that's not really anything that they or me can control. But you see my navigation's still loading. We ended up picking up a load out of the same place we delivered to. It's going to Boston, and it delivers Tuesday morning. It's Friday. I didn't realize that Monday was Labor Day, and so Cornell's like, yeah, it delivers Tuesday, dude. I'm like, oh, you gotta find something better. He's like, everything delivers Tuesday, bro. And I didn't realize, you know, that Monday was a holiday. So anyways, we're getting going. It's like 865 miles total, and then we'll do a 34 this weekend. We're gonna drive up to Pennsylvania today, and then probably shut down and then drive into Connecticut tomorrow, and then they'll put us about 50 to 60 miles out from our delivery Monday morning or Tuesday morning. So pretty much we'll be sitting all day Sunday, Monday, and then going in to deliver Monday. This is crazy. This load is extremely light. It's 3 pallets. That's it, 3 pallets. And I was like, dude, they had to pay like crap. So I asked Cornell what they paid per mile. He's like, $3 a mile. And I'm like, dude, you guys are making a killing on this, other than I gotta sit. But like, it's only 867 miles, so that's $2,400. I'm pretty much empty, dude. It's like 2,000 pounds. Like, dude, this is a good load. Like, if I was an owner op, I'd be running this load back and forth all the time, as much as they give it to me. But yeah, so we're gonna try to get, I don't know how far this Petro is. I pinpointed it for my next stop. I want to say it's like 300 something miles. So I'm gonna try to make it there. It's already 11 o'clock, but I want to make it there because they have a Quaker Steak and Lube for the restaurant. And I really want to have Quaker Steak and Lube because they have good wings and good burgers and all that. So I'm hoping I can make it up there, but I don't know how far it actually is, because it's just loading, because there's no phone service in this town. I wonder if this Burger Shack place is any good. All right, buddy, you're gonna have to back up for me. Actually, you may not have to. Let's see if I can. Well, I don't want to go underneath that because I don't know how tall that is. But yeah, look how light we are. We're pretty much empty, dude. It's insane. Look at this. It's gonna be nice going up these hills though. I'll tell you what. I have no idea what happened. We had to take a detour because the road was closed, and now we're going on oncoming lanes. So I'm not sure what's really, oh my God, what happened there? Those motorcycles? Can't even tell, bro. Dude, those are oh my God. Those are fucking holy shit, dude. So our exit's coming up here. I'm still not used to these controls. I think the volume on the other truck used to be right here. So I like held the like trailer light flash thing. I don't think it works, because my headlights aren't on, but yeah, there's this Petro here. It's in Raffine, Virginia, and apparently I thought it was inside, but apparently there's like a Quaker Steak and Lube like right next to it. Even the Petro sign had the Quaker Steak and Lube on it, so I'm not too sure where it's at. Be nice if it's in the Petro, but if it's like right across the street, I'm walking across the street because I've been thinking about Quaker Steak and Lube all day now, so I'm craving it. Looks like there's a lot of parking left. It's only 4 o'clock here. Well, maybe that's not even parking for that. But I am gonna keep on driving today. We have 600. I mean, technically I really don't have to keep on driving, but I think I'm going to. Is it in the Petro or is it like across the street? I'm curious because the sign literally is right there. So Popeyes, I don't really see the. No, it's down over there. I see it. I've never been to this Petro before. Orchard Creek Auto Plaza. We'll go after this Ford Edge or whatever these cars are. I think is he turning left for sure? Yep. We're light, so we don't have to worry about slowing that up. Dude, the turbo, I don't know if you guys can hear the turbo on this thing, but I love how this thing sounds. So it looks like the Quaker Steak and Lube's down there. So I will be walking over there because that sounds delicious. Probably try to park as close as I can to it. Do they at least have a sidewalk? Because I mean they got the sign for it. That's like new. I bet these are reserved here, but I will park here because I want Quaker. Hope that, oh, that guy's still behind me. Shoot. Ugh. These really aren't side parking spots either. I think he's gonna park in that spot right there. I'm really not set up for this, so I'll probably just keep on going down.
Come on, everything is A-okay when you're riding with Jay. Keep those wheels turning and we do this every day. Backing up a trailer, look at all the roads I've driven. Come and ride with me, yeah, let me show you how I'm living. Come on.